Hey, what is going on, guys? I hope you're all having a great week. So, got a bit of a first for me on this channel. It's my first international product. So, with that being said, just keep watching. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I do beard stuff, I do shave stuff, I do hair stuff, and if I find a bottle of something nice, I'll share that with you too. So if you like how that sounds, hit that button and you'll know when it happens. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, it's my first international product that I get to review, technically. So I reached out to a company. They are called Manly Club USA. And they are, based on what I can tell, they are the American counterpart for a company from the Ukraine called Manly Club. And they graciously sent me out some products to review. So thank you very much for the opportunity to review your products. Let me just show you what they sent. You guys know I like stickers. So I got a few stickers out of the deal here. This one is it says, you know, Manly Club on it. That's not a product. It is. I think it is a product of theirs, but it's not one I'm going to be reviewing. But I like the artwork. It's really cool. Then we got this one. This one is for, now this one is for the pomade that I did get sent this product, but it's cool. I like that RV. I just love this. It's got a really cool little vintage 70s RV look to it. I love that. And then this is really cool. Just looks like a sign you'd find on the side of a mountain or something. I like that. Pretty cool stuff. Thank you for that. I'll show you the products I got sent. This is the Manly Club. This is a beard balm. It's called Night by Night. This is what I think this is what kind of drew me to ask for a review. They have seasonal offerings, which I think is a really neat concept. And I know there's other companies that do it, but this is really cool. So they sent me one of their seasonal blends, and this one is a summer blend. So again, we'll talk about that here in a minute. This one is I love this package, by the way. Look at that, it's gas mask, and then you get this RV. I don't know, it's the craziest combo, but I love it. But this is their Manly Crystal Pomade, and it says cooked in the Ukraine on it. This is going to be another video on its own, guys. I've got to do, you know, so just hit subscribe and you'll know when that happens. So getting into the products now. First one we're going to get into is the Manly Mixture. Alright, and this is the Night by Night. It's a beard balm. It says almost 1.5 ounces. Alright, and it's actually 1.3 ounces. And the ingredients for this are cocoa butter, avocado oil, coconut butter, virgin castor oil, love me some castor oil, pure beeswax, mustard oil, broccoli oil, and then a mix of essential oils. Gonna open this up here. Come on, open. You gotta be manly to open that one. No, I'm just joking. Alright, you can see it's kind of got a yellowish hint to it here. I don't know if you can see, if my camera's gonna let us see it here or not. When I get into it, I can see what may be some crystallization of one of the butters in this mixture here. I hope it's the batch, but it was a little kind of a negative point, unfortunately, for this. But yeah, it's got some crystallization going on. So let's get into how it smells. So this one, I like it. It has a very soothing, pleasant smell. Not something I really cared to wear during the day. And I know it says Night by Night, and I'm sure that's not their intention. I don't know if it's their intention that it is maybe a nighttime product. But not something I really felt like I really wanted to wear during the day compared to some of the other things I've worn throughout, you know, in the past. But it does have a nice scent. I get kind of like a citrus, floral, herbal mixture here. It's very soothing. It is. It's a very soothing. It's a clean, soothing scent. And let's get into how this works. Okay. Got a little crystallization going on here, and you can kind of see. If you can pick that up, it came out a little rough looking. Okay. Get it on my hands here. You can see a little bit of grit kind of that forms here. I will say this smooths out pretty fast though. Even with the crystallization in there, it smooths out pretty fast. Okay, so this is real time. I'm not going to edit this or anything. Alright, that's me rubbing my hands, and there we go. We're like 100% smooth. Okay, so that is, there we go, 100%. I think Yep, we're good. That's it. So it's there, but it's a pretty minor thing. Again, unfortunate that it was there. But yeah, really good scent though. I do like it. Like I said, I really found I did enjoy using this at night. I'd put it in my beard at night before I would go to bed, and I really liked it. Like I said, it has a very soothing scent. It was really nice to put on right before I went to sleep. So, you know, if that's something that interests you, check it out. Moving on to this is the Manly Beard Balm, and it is the summer edition, and it does say it includes UV protection. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, this is actually a completely different animal from what we just did. It's a different recipe altogether. Normally with beard companies, they'll kind of use the same recipe, which is fine. It makes sense. I get it. But this it's actually different. So the ingredients are coconut butter, white beeswax, shea butter, wheat germ oil, red raspberry seed oil, soybean oil, jojoba oil, mix of essential oils. Okay, again, you get this label here. It's got this really cool little tropical looking, got the Easter Island heads there with a beard, and then you've got some palm trees. So it has a really cool summery look to it. I like the packaging. I'm gonna get into it now. You can see, like I said, that last one was kind of yellowish. This one is pretty white, very white, and getting to how it smells. Guys, I gotta tell you, they nailed summer with this. Nailed it. Nailed summer. Very sweet, tropical kind of smell. Really like it. And let's get into how this works. So this is thick. This is a thick, you can see there, comes out. This is a thick balm. I'm gonna show you how this one works. This one goes in. You can feel, when you rub it, it's got like a real thickness to it. You put it in. And I just wore this balm just for the week. Let me show you here. Look at that. You can get like a real good sense of control. So this one it's a heavy balm. If you want a styling balm, I would definitely consider this a styling balm. Really good stuff. Like it. I do. It's got a good feel to it. Got smooth, decent shine. It's not overly shiny either. That was kind of something I liked. It has like a real natural, it puts a good natural shine on your beard. They nailed the scent with summer. That's my review. Little like I said, disappointed with the crystallization in the nightly balm or the night by night balm. But again, I like the smell. Very soothing smell to wear at night. I think I benefited more from wearing it at night. And then this is the summer balm. Nailed the smell, and I think it works great. If you're especially looking for a heavier balm to put in your beard, check this one out. This one I really like. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button, and you have a great week. Take care.